Today, schooling in your home sweet home is promptly becoming the recent rage in how to give knowledge to your children. Homeschooling has been alive since the birth of the 20th century. It is not until now that it has spread in favor, with greater and greater families selecting to be more in charge of their kids' education. In the United States, it has been estimated there are about 3 million little kids that are entered into homeschooling schedules. There are many reasons why parents are choosing to have their children instructed at home. A world of parents are worried with their children's safeness, precisely because of the unceasing uprise of bullying in the junior high and high school surroundings. Interest about righteous ethics, principles, and irritation with the public school organization are in addition some of the conditions that are associated in making this election. Scholars who are homeschooled are counted on to understand an assortment of categories. Scholars who are being taught at home are provided with the elements that they need for their learning. There are a number of textbooks that are particularly aimed to conform to the needs of homeschoolers. Those students who are engaging in unit studies are armed with core curriculum publications or guides for each particular subject. This is a methodology of course study that is centered around one issue at a time. This will cover all the information that they will need while they are studying a specific apt or topic. Another way of learning is to structure the use of an already created course of study. This essentially is the curriculum that is used in population schools. Text publications of this kind mainly give directions that are step by step, so learners will try to understand any issues following the lessons. An opulence of kids who are homeschooled likewise borrow their textbooks from libraries. This is a very economical way of acquiring all the pieces of advice that they'll need. School kids who don't appreciate accessibility to libraries can also use the World Wide Web to acquire their text publications. There are a host of home pages on the net that buy and sell contemporary and used books. This is a quick and untroublesome way of acquiring the books that their core curriculums make obligatory. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.